Again, welcome students of class 11, line number 17, Act 3, Scene 1, the speech of Ferdinand. Ferdinand says here, I am in my condition a prince, Miranda. I do think a king I would not so, and would no more endure this wooden slavery than to suffer the flesh fly blow my mouth. Hear my soul speak. The very instant that I saw you did, my heart fly to your service. There resides to make me slave to it, and for you, for your sake, and am I this patient log man. Ferdinand shows his love uh, towards Miranda and says, as per my status, I am a prince, Miranda. Miranda, I am a prince. This is my status. I believe I am a king. He thinks that after Alonso, he would be the king, as he is a prince at present. Although I do not wish to be, Ferdinand says that he does not want to be a king. He wants to be a prince only. But in future he may be a king. So I would no longer endure this labor. I cannot tolerate so longer. For a long time, such type of labor, this labor of piling up logs, then I allow the flesh fly to pollute my mouth. Deposit eggs. Here he says, I do not want to do such type of trifle work. Then I allow the flesh fly to pollute my mouth. He says, I would no longer endure this labor of piling up logs. Then I allow the flesh fly to pollute my mouth. As regards my social status, he says in the beginning, listen to what I have to say you from my heart. He says to Miranda, listen to what I have to say to you from my heart. The very instant I saw you, my heart flew towards your service. There my heart resides to make me a slave in your service. I thought to be a slave in your service. For your sake, I am content with carrying these logs. For your sake. As Ferdinand loves Miranda, so he is ready and contented with carrying these logs. Otherwise, he won't like such type of trifle job because he was a prince. Miranda, do you love me? Ferdinand, O heaven, O earth, bear witness to this sound and crown what I profess with kind event. If I speak true, if hollowly in word what best is boded me to mischief, I beyond all limit of what else in the world do love, prize, honor you. He appreciates and shows his love towards Miranda and says, heaven and earth bear witness. They are the witness. They are the evidence. They are the witness to my love for you. The heaven and earth. If I speak truly, they will reward my love. If I speak falsely, they would turn into evil all the best fortune that is promised to me. They promised me, as I am a prince, they promised to me to do best fortune for me, But if I speak falsely, they would turn into evil. I love you, respect you, and honor you beyond all limits in this world. My love is beyond limit. Miranda says, I am a fool to weep at what I am glad of. I am a fool to shed tears at what makes me happy. The her eyes is full of tears when she listened these appreciating words from Ferdinand. Prospero sighed. Fair encounter of two most rare affections. Heavens rain grace on that what breeds between them. It is a lovely meeting, Prospero says. It is a lovely meeting of two most rare loving hearts. These are two most rare loving hearts. May God bless the love between them. Ferdinand says, wherefore weep you? Why are you weeping, Miranda? Miranda says, at mine unworthiness, that dare not offer what I desire to give, and much less take what I shall die to want. But this is trifling, and all the more it seeks to hide itself, the bigger bulk it shows. Hence, bashful cunning, and prompt me, plain and holy innocence. I am your wife if you will marry me. If not, I will die your maid. To be your fellow, you may deny me, but I will be your servant, whether you will or no. She says, I am weeping. Miranda says, I am weeping at my inability to give you what I wish to offer. I am weeping at my inability. I am unable to give you what I wish to offer. To take something without which I die. To take something without which I die, but this is idle talk. The more I try to hide my love, the more it is revealed. So down with the cunning display of bashfulness, shyness. Let me simple and sacred innocence be my aid. I am your wife. Simply, I want to say you that I am your wife if you are willing to marry me. If you do not, I will die as a maiden, as a virgin. If you refuse to marry me, I will be your servant, whether you want me or not. Ferdinand says, my mistress, dearest, and I thus humble ever. My dearest mistress, I am your servant forever. He says, I am your servant forever. Miranda says, my husband, then? Will you be my husband then? Ferdinand says, yea, with a heart as willing as bondage ever of freedom, here's my hand. Yes, wholeheartedly, like a slave who desires freedom. Wholeheartedly, like a slave who desires freedom, who desires liberty, here is my hand. Miranda says, and mine with my heart in it, and now farewell till half an hour hence. And here is my hand with my heart in it, and now goodbye for the next half an hour. Ferdinand says, 1,000. Exuberant Ferdinand and Miranda severely, separately. Prospero says, so glad of this as I cannot be, who are surprised withal, but my rejoicing at nothing can be more. I will to my book for yet a supper time must I perform much business appertaining. Prospero says, I am glad at this love affair of the two lovers. Besides the love, they have the thrill of surprise at the unexpected development. Still, nothing gives me more joy than their having fallen in love. I will now turn to my magic book, for before supper I have to do much work to complete my plan. Now he wants to engage himself in the magic books, because he says, before supper time I have to do much work to complete my plan. Exit. He goes from this scene. Now you will, in the next video, you will study Act 3, Scene 2. Thank you, students.